Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new engineering firm layout pack we think you'll enjoy. This engineering firm layout pack is excellent for engineering firms ready to showcase project portfolios and all types of engineering services to their clients with industry-leading web design. The multifaceted icons, striking typography, and subtle geometric design elements are a great fit for any engineering company. So go ahead and jumpstart the building process for your engineering site today. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new engineering firm layout pack on your own website. Okay, so before you start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab, enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts, including the engineering firm layout pack without any problems. Once done, you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To start, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the Choose a Pre-made Layout option. And then from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the new engineering firm layout pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and make sure and select the one that you want, preview it here on the left, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish the page. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of the remaining pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts from the layout pack to those pages. And then once all your pages have been created with each of the corresponding pre-made layouts, you're ready for the next step, which is to add a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to your menu. You can organize your menu items however you like under your menu structure area. Make sure to set the display location to primary menu and then save menu. And for a final step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings and then Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, go ahead and select your home page with that corresponding home page layout. And then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new engineering firm Divi Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you liked the video, make sure to give us the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you can get a notification every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.